Installing a 22 kW gen rack. Tyler's doing the gas piping. Morning, Tyler. So Tyler, what other jobs did you do before this?
McDonald's.
Did you like it? No. Fast food wasn't for you? No. So what's rewarding about doing this?
Seeing people's faces after it's done, how they're excited about it.
So how old are you, Tyler?
19.
This is a unistrut clamp. Tyler's gonna tighten it down. Oh, you broke it, Tyler. It's okay, we have more. Tyler did a great job. If you think so, leave a comment in the section below. Let him know how he did.